All right, guys, so this is a new valve cover overlay kit that we actually offer on our website. This is just a red sticker that's over top of the carbon fiber area, and we have a carbon fiber sticker over on the red area. And then as well as we have a brushed aluminum turbo logo to match the GR. Just really dresses up the engine bay cover. We actually just finished doing these. These are our GR4 logos. These are gonna come in actually black, they're gonna come in a carbon fiber, they're gonna come in white for black cars and red cars, and they're gonna come in a brushed aluminum, and they're all gonna include the red R. So you can go all standard one color, or you can actually put the R on there. These will be available on the website soon, and just check out the website for some new stuff. We actually just did the MBRP exhaust, so let me show you this. That video is coming up shortly. So these are the carbon fiber tips. It's gonna come in a couple different tip options, and it has the factory plates that block out this stuff. So you guys stay tuned to the next video. The next one's gonna be a banger with all the MBRP stuff.